Modelworks Direct, a company that fabricates aircraft, cars and ships to desktop-size scale models. Contact us at 1-844-8-MODELS or email us at info@modelworksdirect.com.
Convair B-36 Peacemaker N1 is a strategic bomber built by Convair and operated by the United States Air Force (USAF) from 1949 to 1959. The B-36 is the largest mass-produced piston-engined aircraft ever built. It had the longest wingspan of any combat aircraft ever built, at 230 feet 70 meters.